Hello, my name is Cliff Munson, president of Rotovac Corporation in Seattle, Washington. We're the manufacturer of a revolutionary new carpet cleaning machine called the Rotovac Power Wand. We guarantee that the Rotovac will clean better than any machine on the market, hands down. If you're looking for a great business opportunity, something that will allow you to be your own boss, to set your own hours, and to earn from $50 to $150 an hour working either part-time or full-time, well, the Rotovac just may be the opportunity that you've been looking for. Take a few minutes to watch this video and we'll show you why. Most professional carpet cleaners use hot water extraction, also referred to as steam cleaning. Hot water extraction is widely recognized in the carpet cleaning industry as the most thorough method available. Here's how it works. Using either a truck-mounted extractor which stays out in the vehicle or a portable extractor that is brought into the job. The tool that's actually in the carpet cleaner's hands is called a manual scrub wand. A manual wand has one or more spray jets to inject the cleaning solution into the carpet and a vacuum slot to vacuum it back out. The cleaning results with a manual scrub wand rely heavily on how much elbow grease the cleaner is willing to put into scrubbing it back and forth over the carpet. The dirtier the carpet, the more cleaning passes needed. Some carpets can require 10 or more cleaning passes over each section just to get satisfactory results. And I tell you what, scrubbing this wand back and forth all day is really hard labor. Well, the Rotovac Power Wand really changes all that. Rather than manually pushing a wand back and forth over the carpet, breaking your back and only cleaning in two directions, the Rotovac has two cleaning heads that counter-rotate at 250 RPM. Each cleaning head has 3 vacuum slots and 3 spray jets. So with the Rotovac, the motors are doing the work, and it's spraying, scrubbing, and vacuuming out simultaneously. So you don't have to bend over and break your back with a wand.
With the manual wand, it's a lot more elbow grease, scrubbing a little more than when you use the Rotovac, which does the scrubbing for you.
Using a manual wand is a lot more labor intensive. You're bent over, you're hunched over a lot more, and using the scrubbing motion. With the Rotovac Power Wand, you're more upright, and it's a lot easier on your body and your back, and the carpet's way cleaner.
Since I've got the Rotovac, it's much easier, and just about anybody can use it.
What we've done is we've taken this piece of white carpet and we've dragged it around out in the street to get it nice and dirty with some street soot. Now this is the same kind of dirt that gets on your carpet and it's very stubborn to get out. I'm going to clean one section first with the regular wand, and then we're going to clean right next to it with the Rotovac for a direct side-by-side comparison. Well, it's coming cleaner, but there's still quite a bit of shadowing and dirt in there. Let's hook up the Rotovac, see what it does. Now, as you can see, when I'm cleaning with the Rotovac, I can stand with my back straight and let the motors do the work. This is easy. I can do this all day long. But the rotary cleaning action of the heads deep cleans the carpet like you just cannot do with a wand. So now I'm going to let off the water in this vacuum-only dry pass now. And look at the difference in the cleaning. This is what will make you successful in business. When you can do a far better job than just the standard cleaner using a wand, that's what sets you apart from the competition and gives you a major edge. The Rotovac simply out-cleans all other methods with ease.
The Rotovac is better than just using a wand because it deep cleans carpet, it gets down into the fibers and doesn't just clean over the top of the carpet.
It out-cleans the normal manual wand better than any carpet cleaning tool in the industry. My customers are always impressed with it. Some of them actually require me to use it or want me to use it on every job I do. And it's a great tool to use for carpet cleaning.
When I'm using the Rotovac and the customers are watching me, they're smiling and they see the results and then they say, wow, I'm going to tell my friends.
Rotovac has put together a complete business equipment startup package that contains everything that you will need to get your business up and running with training included. This package includes a high-powered portable extractor, the Rotovac Power Wand, a standard manual wand, upholstery tool, and other miscellaneous items that you will need. In addition, the package includes training, marketing, flyer layouts, a search engine optimized website to land new customers, and a business startup guide that shows you how to get your business up and running from day one. The retail value of this equipment package is well over $4,000, but is available through Rotovac at a factory direct discount of only $29.95. The complete equipment package comes with a 30-day money-back trial that allows you to go out and put the equipment to your own test. So if you're ready to get your business going, give us a call here at Rotovac and we'll help you on your way.
When I first started my business, all I did was go out with Rotovac brochures and handed property management companies Rotovac brochures and said, let me clean your dirtiest carpet and I'll show you what I can do with the Rotovac.
If you don't have a Rotovac Power Wand, you really should get one because I guarantee you will make money and you will do it with a lot less effort than you would using a wand. On the average, I can earn $120 an hour. All 120 pounds of me.
On average, cleaning with the Rotovac Power Wand, I earn about $100 to $150 per hour. I would recommend it to any carpet cleaning company or anyone thinking about starting their own business. It's a great way to get customers and it's a great way to make an impression.
If you're looking to get into the business, I would recommend the Rotovac.
I'm so glad that I was able to get it and have used it now for the last 3 years, and it's been a great benefit to my business.